You are going to love the 2018 EcoSport. This vehicle is powered by a 3-cylinder, 1.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, low tire pressure warning. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.